What I have here on this table is unknown to me. I just got back from Beyond Grandma's House antique store in Chicago. I saw this wooden box wrapped in plastic sitting on the counter, and I wanted to open it. The owners, Mary Jo and Bob, told me that it contained lots of antique household products that came from a clean out that they just did. They suggested that I do a surprise video where I uncover everything inside and go through it. I love that idea. I think it's going to be great. We're going to take a look at these items and antiques together, where I'm going to react to them as I open this and see them for the first time.
I mean, just get a look at that. Would you look at this? You know what I mean?
I'm Tom, and welcome to Alley Picked. When I was a kid, I watched this game show called Let's Make a Deal. Contestants would choose between two unseen objects. They were often given a choice between something, say, hidden under a box, or what's hidden behind the curtain. It just might be a can of beans, or it might even be a $500 bill hidden under the can of beans.
A $500 bill.
That's right, there were $500 bills back in the 1960s. Here we go. This is going to be good. First up, kitchen cleanser. Remember this stuff? Everything in our kitchen cabinet that was powdery and it was a cleaner, we just called it kitchen cleanser. This one looks to be from the 1930s. I just love the artwork on these. Of course, nowadays, they wouldn't dare put a woman wearing an apron on a kitchen cleaning product. Here's something called, I don't even know how to pronounce it, C-A-T-A-R-R-H, Catarrh balm. Apply a small portion of the balm well up into the nostrils, drawing it into the nasal passages as far as possible, repeating the action 2 to 3 times a day. Doesn't that sound fun? Oh, this looks interesting. Dr. Carey's Life Tone tablets, a tonic for nervousness.
Well, I take it this family don't want to take my tonic? Oh,
no, Granny, it's good.
Fatigue, overexertion caused by our hurried, exacting modern life. By the way, it looks like all of these products are unused. This is like new old stock. This one here, blue-white flakes. Blues while you wash, does not streak. Whitens, brightens. Ah, here we go. Rumford baking powder. Yep, it's baking powder. I think the white has turned to off-white. There's a cookbook offer card inside. 25 cents to order this 232-page cookbook. Oh, look at this box of Ivory soap. Soap is still in here. This one is wrapped in paper. Ivory soap is pure, white, floating soap, gentle and refreshing for complexion and bath. Because Ivory soap is pure, many doctors advise it for baby skins. Yet it's so economical, it can be used for washing dishes where its mild velvet suds can help keep your hands smooth. Procter & Gamble. 1940. Ah, this one is empty. Mainsprings, extra quality, hand finished for Waltham 2224. Oh, these look like springs for a sewing machine. The Palmer Match. A box of matches. You know we have to try one. This looks pretty worn. Let's see. And no. Ivory Snow. Safer for silks and woolens. Protects bright colors. That's pretty cool too. Okay. Sanford's Double Duty Ink Eraser removes ink and other stains from paper or cloth. This is a liquid ink remover. I have never seen that before. It's got a date here, 1949. Keep bottles tightly corked. It still has liquid in it. Check that out. Double Duty Eraser. This is a 1-bottle eraser. If only the number 2 liquid is used. For greater efficiency, use both liquids, thus protecting the surface of the paper. Very cool. Rubber band. Severa's Esco for itching skin. Intended for relieving burning and other minor irritations of the skin. Let's open it up. Doesn't smell so good. Ah, here's something we're all familiar with. Vaseline. Carbonated petroleum jelly. Well, it feels like car wax. It's a little bit hard. Still works. All right. Here's a bar of Bon-Ami. How to use Bon-Ami cake. Easy, fast way to clean windows, mirrors, windshield, refrigerators. Simply rub on a damp cloth the Bon-Ami cake. Apply a very thin coating onto the surface to be cleaned. Wipe it off with a clean, dry cloth. Interesting. A full bar of Bon-Ami. Here we go. A pin. Chicago Alliance Against Drugs. No dope. City of Chicago, Harold Washington Mayor. This is a master patented safety hasp. Oh, check this out. This is old hardware, 36 cents. Oh, wow. Check this out. This is a metal container for Tums. And there's still Tums in here. Tums for the tummy in hyperacidity. Oh, this one is kind of cool. You push up from the bottom, and the next Tums antacid would dispense. Someone started using this container to store pencil lead. Armour's bouillon cubes. Nothing in this one. Just the empty container. Oh, speedball pens for drawing and lettering. Here we have a bunch of ink pen tips. And this looks... Oh, check this out. This is a thermometer regulator, Chicago, Illinois. This is a thermometer. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Night brand safety matches. And they are impregnated. Whatever. And there's still matches in there. Let's see if they work. You think so? Ah! Don't play with matches.
It's National Fire Safety Week. I've been going door to door looking for fire hazards.
2 more items. This is Kleckner's Spanish saffron. Price 10 cents. For useful premiums. This box contains the finest selected crop of Spanish Valencia saffron, guaranteed pure and packed under clean and sanitary conditions, used by particular people for flavoring in cooking and baking. Uh-oh. Is this what I think it is? I used to have this when I was a kid. I remember going to the dime store and buying a pack of these. These are called Tricky Dogs. Check this out. Place one Tricky Dog on a smooth surface. Push the other Tricky Dog up to it from behind, or sweep the second Tricky Dog in half a circle around the first one. Watch them twirl. These are basically magnets attached to the bottom of plastic dogs. Now, I remember these when I was a kid. I used to buy them, like I say, probably for a nickel at the dime store. Maybe a dime at the dime store. Those are pretty cool, and they bring back lots of memories. Well, we reached the end. I hope you enjoyed looking at these old products. I sure did. They bring back so many memories, things that I touched and used as a child, things that I remember going to the grocery store to purchase for my mother, even to the dime store to purchase these Tricky Dogs. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and feel free to share this video with a friend. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.